Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Jira Software for Scrum and Kanban, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the official Jira Software website. Once the page loads, locate the Get It Free button on the screen. Click on the button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose to sign up with your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Atlassian. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Jira Setup page. You will be prompted to create an Atlassian account. Fill in your first name, last name, and a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After completing the form, click on the Submit button. Once your account is created, you will be asked to set up your Jira software. Choose between Scrum or Kanban based on your project management needs. Select the Try It Free option for the Jira software version you prefer. You will then be directed to a page where you can create your project. Enter a project name that reflects the purpose of your project. You can also select a template that suits your workflow, either Scrum or Kanban. After selecting your project options, click on the Create Board button. This will take you to your new Jira board. Here, you can start adding tasks and managing your workflow. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. You can customize your board settings as needed. Explore the features, such as creating issues and monitoring progress. You can do this by navigating to the Project Settings menu and selecting Users and Roles. Add team members by email, assign roles, and set permissions. Now you're ready to utilize Jira software for your Scrum or Kanban projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.